You probably wouldn't be looking at this if you didn't have the question of how do I pick my personal injury attorney? Who should my personal injury attorney be? Well, there's a process that we would recommend that you go through in picking your Idaho personal injury attorney. And that process requires investigation. Spend some time looking around. Certainly don't just respond to TV advertising or billboard advertising. See if you really have a trial attorney that you're looking for. And why do I use that term trial attorney? Because not every personal injury attorney is a trial attorney. A trial attorney is somebody who is not scared of the courtroom, wants to go to the courtroom, is perfectly happy to go to the courtroom. And why does that matter? Because the insurance companies know the difference. They know if a lawyer is willing to go to the courtroom, then that case is going to get full value in resolution, whether it's after trial or in settlement. And you know, many cases do settle, and that's important. But one of the ways you make cases settle is by going to trial on other cases. What do you want to look for in that trial attorney? You want somebody with success in the courtroom. Look around, look at their resumes, look at what they've done. You want somebody who's been recognized by many of the organizations that acknowledge attorneys, whether that's a very traditional one called Martindale-Hubbell. What's their rating? AV is the highest. There are other public rating systems, Best Lawyers ratings, AVO ratings, many other standards. You know, there is one organization, and we're proud that we have a member of that organization in our firm, Charlie Hepworth, but there's one organization of the top 100 trial lawyers in the country. It's called the Inner Circle of Advocates. You have to be a great lawyer to be in that. Is the person a member of the American College of Trial Lawyers? Are they members of AAJ? Do they teach other lawyers how to do lawyering? All these things are out there to be found, and spending your time, what you're doing by looking at this video, spend your time on the internet looking for those skill sets are the things that you want to do when you're identifying a personal injury lawyer for your claim in Idaho. Find a lawyer who knows what they're doing in the courtroom. Find a lawyer who actually spends their time in injury cases. You don't want a general practice lawyer. You don't want a business lawyer. You don't want somebody who does wills and estates sometimes and does divorces sometimes. What you want is a personal injury trial lawyer with results. If you want to talk more about it, if you want to talk about the things that we've accomplished at our firm, why we think we're, if not the best, certainly one of the one or two best firms in the state, just give us a call. Any one of us will talk to you, and we'll tell you if your lawyer, you know, there are other lawyers we respect in the state. We'll tell you if you're looking at good lawyers, and we'll tell you the people to stay away from too. Pick the right trial lawyer, because the trial lawyer you pick for your personal injury claim in Idaho can make a big difference in your life and in your future.